In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Grammarly account. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Grammarly website. You can do this by typing Grammarly into your search engine, which should bring up the Grammarly homepage. Once there, you'll see a button that says Get Grammarly. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page where you can begin the sign up process. On the sign up page, you'll be prompted to create an account. If you prefer, you can also use your Google account to sign in more effortlessly. Otherwise, you'll need to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure, as it keeps your account safe. Once you've filled in your email and password, you'll see a space where you can add your name. It's important to ensure all your details are accurate and up to date. After entering this information, click Agree and sign up. At this point, Grammarly may offer you the option to sign up using your Google account. If you're logged into your Google account in the same browser, you will see a Continue with Google button. This option integrates seamlessly and lets you bypass manual entry of your details again, which might be a convenience you're looking for. When signing up through Google, you'll need to select your email address from the list of accounts linked with your device. After you select your account, you'll click Continue, which will take you directly to the Grammarly homepage once signed in. Once you're on the Grammarly homepage, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the interface. To get the most out of it, head over to the account settings. You can find this by going to the top right corner of the page and clicking on your account name or the profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account. In the account section, you'll see a variety of settings and preferences you can go through. You'll want to click on Subscription to explore Grammarly's membership plans. Here you can select a subscription plan that suits your needs. Clicking on Get Started will reveal different billing cycles for you to choose from, such as a monthly or annual plan. After choosing the billing cycle, select your preferred payment method from the available options. If you opt for a credit card payment, you'll click on Credit Card and fill in your card details. Be thorough, checking for accuracy to avoid any billing issues. Once you've entered all the required information and ensured everything is correct, you'll click